All right, Tesla, what do we do with this thing? Um, this is the number one individual stock in my retirement account. It's up a huge amount since I put the position on. I've thought about selling it every day for the last 3 weeks. It just continues to go up, um, and trying to figure out just how high this thing can go. Is it worth holding long term? I love the company. I love the management. I love everything about it. I think it has huge growth potential in so many different areas. Um, we'll have a breakdown on the core fundamentals of the company and what they're doing in another video. Right now, we're just going to look at what's going on with this chart and uh, trying to figure out some context for it. Uh, right off the bat, what jumps out to me is a pretty aggressive gap up from a again, this extension seems to fit pretty well, just loosely drawn, slapping it on there. Again, 161 overhead resistance, really struggled to break through. That was $380 coming up on, the funding secured tweets and all of that stuff. When that sold off, it sold off on this extension down to 50%, which is the dashed line. And then it turned around and pivoted and exploded higher, confirming this move. There's going to be an extension that emerges between this because we're clearly, once we broke this all-time high of this 970 level, we had a quick nearly doubling in, this is the weekly chart, this is a month, zooming back out pretty aggressively, going to the 423, hard sell-off. Once this bounced at 161 and started to fight its way higher, became really interesting as it compressed to 423 again. I felt like there was going to be a pretty strong catapult higher, and that's where I really started to pour into the position. Again, it feels really extended. We don't quite have enough to determine, where our lines are, but maybe we're going to $2,000. We have earnings on Thursday, and if they're strong, our earnings are on Wednesday. Today's Monday. If earnings are strong this week, we could see $2,000 Tesla. Seems insane, but what's rational about this company or the stock and how it trades? Not a whole lot. So I will probably close my eyes and hold it going into earnings. If there's a big move before earnings, I might take maybe 20% off and let the rest ride into earnings. But that's my plan with Tesla. Again, this is one that can't afford to miss because it's in an area where it just needs to be perfect. So let's see if it can be perfect.